In this video, you will learn how to add the Google Forms widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click Google Forms. The top section shows a preview of how the form will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. The first step is to get the link for the Google form. After creating your form, click the Send button in the top right corner. Click Send via link and copy the URL using the Copy button. Return to your Arreya presentation and paste the copied link into the URL or text field in the Google Forms widget settings. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the Google Forms widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the Style settings. In the Style settings, you have options for transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings menu. If you need additional Google Forms widgets, you can add additional forms from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.